Here are the two schools for tonight's show. Ardenne High from St. Andrew up against Munro College from St. Elizabeth. This is the 51st anniversary season of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. Ardenne High is represented by Kelsey Grant, Derice McKenzie, Shante Blackwood, and Kaif Bailey. Munro College is represented by Kirkland Webb Jr., Danielle Reed, Mark Hemans, and Renaldino Kilon Henry I. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone. Welcome to the second match in the quarterfinals of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2020. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. This is the second match in our doubleheader. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? Well, this is the opening challenge, and in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss and Munro College won, and they decided to go first. So we begin with Munro College. Now the section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. Munro, we begin with Bible knowledge. Which Jew married the king of Persia and convinced him to reverse a decree calling for the destruction of her people?
Esther!
Correct. Bible knowledge for Ardenne. Which Hebrew asked for a meal of pulse and water only for 10 days while he was in captivity?
Jeremiah!
Incorrect. Daniel. Local affairs for Munro. Look at the monitor. Give the correct first and the last name of this person.
J.C. Hutchinson.
First name.
James Hutchinson.
James Hutchinson.
Incorrect. William Hutchinson. Local affairs for Ardenne. Look at the monitor. Give the correct first and last name of this person.
Clifford Warmington.
That's correct. Biology for Munro. What term is used to relate to heritable characteristics controlled by genes, which are expressed in offspring only when inherited from both parents?
No, from both parents. Recessive. Recessive.
Recessive.
Correct.
Trait.
Biology for Ardenne. Which blood type is called the universal recipient?
AB positive.
AB positive.
We'll confer with the judges on that one. Music for Munro. Audio, listen to the following clip and identify the singer.
Jesse Royal.
Jesse Royal.
Incorrect. Dennis Brown. Music for Ardenne. Listen to this clip. Identify the singer, please.
'Cause I feel like dancing all night.
Barry Salmon.
Incorrect. Gregory Isaacs. English language for Munro. Give an English idiom using the word I, which means to share a view with others.
To see eye to eye.
To see eye to eye.
Correct. English language for Ardenne. Give an English idiom using the word ear, which means to act spontaneously without a plan of action.
To go by air?
To go by air.
No, to play it by ear. Theatre and cinema. Munro. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor.
Humphrey Bogart.
Humphrey Bogart.
Correct. Ardenne. Theatre and cinema. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor.
Jack Lemon.
No, Gary Cooper. And general knowledge for Munro. The contestant from which country was crowned the 2019 Miss Universe?
Which country? 2019. Philippines.
Philippines.
Incorrect. South Africa. General knowledge for Ardenne. In what country was the 2019 Miss Universe competition held?
The UK.
Incorrect. USA. Sports for Munro. Look at the monitor. Identify this former Jamaican Olympian.
Danny McFarlane.
Danny McFarlane.
Incorrect. Winthrop Graham. Sports for Ardenne. Look at the monitor. Identify this former U.S. Olympian.
Maurice Green.
Correct. Geography for Munro. What is the more common name for a steep rock face?
Steep rock face. Gully. Steep rock face. Gully.
Gully.
Or canyon. or
Incorrect. Cliff. Geography. What is the name for a topography formed from the dissolution of soluble rocks such as limestone, dolomite, and gypsum?
Sinkhole.
Incorrect. Karst. And that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge, and the scores are Ardenne High now on 2, and Munro College are on 4. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 51 returns right after these messages.